Hi friends, this is Manohar. In this video, we are going to learn about what is ratio and proportion. First, we have to discuss about what is ratio. So, what is ratio? Comparison between two or more objects by division method. Comparison between two or more objects by division method. So, examples comparison of ages and comparison of weights, income and savings and heights. So, let us take an example. Here ages of A and B is 40 and 60 example, and weights of AB is 40 and 60, and incomes of A and B is 40,000 and 60,000, right? Here another point, the ratio can be written as A is to B. Ratio can be written as A is to B, or ratios can be written as in the fraction form A by B, right? Here A is called antecedent and B is called consequent, right? Here A is called what? Antecedent and B is called consequent, right? Next, we have to discuss, based on this ratio, we have to discuss some more questions, right? Here, next question. Here A is to B is, here A is to B is 7:9 and B is to C is 5:4. Find A is to B is to C. So in this question we have to find A is to B is to C. First we have to find A. We have to find A value. So multiply 7 and 5. 7 5s are 35. 35 is to B value. We have to multiply 5 and 9. 5 9s are 45. And C value, we have to multiply 9 and 4. 9 4s are 36. Here A is to B is to C value 35 is to 45 is to 36. Option 3 is right answer, right? And another question. Next question. Here A is to B value, A is to B value 1/2 is to 1/3. So we have to find it is A value and B value are in the form of fractions. We have to convert it into A is to B value. So 3 into 1 3 and 2 into 1 is 2. So A is to B value is 3 is to 2, and B is to C equals to 1/2 is to 1/3. So cross multiply, B is to C value equals to 3 is to 2. So here A is to B value 3 is to 2 and B is to C value 3 is to 2. We have to find A is to B is to C value, right? A is to B is to C value. So we have to find A value. So we have to multiply 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. And for finding B value, we have to multiply 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6, right? And we have to find C value. So multiply 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, right? A is to B is to C value is 9 is to 6 is to 4. And option 4 is right answer. Next, third question. Here what they given? X is to Y. X is to Y 3 is to 5, and Z is to Y, means Y is to Z equals to y is to z value 4 is to 7. 4 is to 7. So we have to find x is to y is to z. So here x is to y is to z. X is to y is to z what? So we have to find x value. So we have to multiply 3 into 4, right? 3 4s are 12 is to, and y value 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20 is to, and z value. So 5 7s are 35. So here x is to y is to z value is 12 is to 20 is to 35. Option D is right answer, none of the above.